All right, this is Tony with Redmond Ladder 16. We're here today to talk about supplying the aerial on this aerial device. We prefer to take it in the tailboard supply here. We cannot pump this off of our own pump, but that has several limitations. One being friction loss through the pump. Two being we lose a person that has to man that pump that should be on the turntable up there. And the third reason is the actual speed of the aerial device movement is governed by the fire pump once it's in operation. So for those limitations, we prefer this supply as you see here. Once it's charged, it goes straight in up to the discharge at the tip of the aerial. There are no check valves, no gate valves, nothing in the way to prevent flow, minimal friction loss this way. If as an operator, I would be on the turntable up there, so I would expect that the nurse engine operator would be able to come here, make the connection, and secure the hose to the picking eye as you see here. Our starting pressure for pumping this is going to be 150 psi and will likely go up and up from there. We're going to be looking to get anywhere from 1500 GPM to well over 2000 GPM depending on the hydrant that's supplying the nurse engine. Another item of note for this aerial is there's a drain here at the base. If you should see, once it starts to charge, if you should see water coming out from behind the tailboard here, you can just reach in, make sure the valve is shut, and or let the aerial operator know so that we can make that correction. Again, like I said, we'll start at 150 psi from the nurse engine to this point, and then we'll be in communication back and forth between apparatus to make sure that we get the appropriate pressure for a good nozzle stream. Thank you for watching.